All of these words starts with letter O. Duty or responsibility?
Obligation.
Correct. To watch carefully. Oh, yun. To watch carefully. Ha?
Letter O.
Oo.
Observe.
Ha?
Observe.
Correct. 8-armed sea creature.
Octopus.
Correct.
Galing ko.
Essential gas for breathing.
Oxygen.
Ha?
Oxygen.
Correct.
Una.
A home for parentless children.
Ano yun? Bahay ampunan.
Yes.
Wait. Alam ko yan. Ay!
Bell.
Orphan. Ha? Orphan.
Wrong.
Orphan!
Ano, ito, a home for parentless children. A home.
Orphanage.
Ha?
Orphanage.
Bell.
Bell. Orphanage.
Correct.
Sorry, nakalimutan.
A dish of beaten eggs cooked in a frying pan.
Omelette.
Correct.
Keep up. Bagal.
Late or delayed like an assignment when you don't turn it on time.
Overdue?
Correct.
Wait! Anong over tayo?
A fertile spot in a desert where water is found.
Oasis? Oasis?
Correct. Flood with emotions.
Overwhelmed?
Correct. To arrange in order.
Or in order?
Yes. Ha? Bell.
Organize? Organize?
Correct. Sakalin. Ano mga names nila?
Alex. Julian.
Alright. Dahil dyan, meron kang kultura t-shirt. Yeah! Dahil dyan, meron kang 100 pesos consolation prize. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Thank you.